Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. I'm Lula Zahra Zaki Zahabia with the last name 140195. I agree that a national lockdown should be applied in Indonesia to prevent the spread of COVID-19. A unified lockdown ensures consistent rules across the country, avoiding confusion and gaps in enforcement. It allows the government to control the virus more effectively, protect hospitals from being overwhelmed, and focus resources like testing and vaccines. Although it may hurt the economic temporarily, public health must come first. Without controlling the virus, economic recovery will be even harder. A national lockdown is necessary step to save life and stabilize the country. That's all from me. Thank you.